Process to change date of birth on Microsoft account is quite easy and simple. You just need to go to any browser. In my case, I'm on Google Chrome browser, and here type in for Microsoft, and you can see the first link, Microsoft.com. Just click on it. It will open up this website. I will just translate to English. And once you're here, you need to make sure that you're logged in. In my case, I'm already logged in. If you're not logged in, you can always go and click on this person icon, and here you will have an option of sign in. So once you're here, you need to go to my Microsoft account, click on this, and it would open up this screen. Here on the left side, you have an option of your info. Click on your info, and once you're here, you have this date of birth under the profile info. Click on this, and now here you have an option of changing the date of birth to whatever you want. And once you have changed the birth, for example, to maybe 12, click on save, and now your date of birth is changed. You can see here. Hope by doing so you'll be able to change your date of birth on a Microsoft account. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.